Hello students and welcome to Psychology 241 Developmental Psychology for Fall 2021 at GTCC. I am Parita Vithlani. I'm going to be your instructor and facilitator for this course, and I'm very excited to take this journey with you this semester. In this video, what I really want to do is take an opportunity to walk you through your course Moodle page. This is where you're going to find all the information that you need for this course throughout this semester. So let me take this opportunity to walk you through your course Moodle page. So the way you're going to get to your Moodle page when you go to gtcc.edu, on the right hand side where you see the three lines, click on that and you'll be able to click on Moodle. Once you click on Moodle, you'll be able to log into your course Moodle page, and once you log in, this is where you will see on the home page, when you scroll down, you'll see all your courses listed for you. Now, I teach this course for several different sections. As you see here, Psych 241, FON 05, FON 06, and FON 08. All three of my shells look identical. So right now, I'll just click on FON 05, 06 to show you, to walk you through the course page. When you get in, you'll see a picture of me. I still look the same, surprisingly. The picture is a couple years old, but here I am. You have my email address and my phone number. If you ever need to reach me, I respond within 24 hours on weekdays and within 48 hours on weekends and holidays. So when you scroll further down, you'll see your course syllabus and schedule, and you'll see an area for class discussions and a place for announcements. Now, syllabus and schedule is a really important document. It lists out all the information for this course that you are going to need throughout. One thing I am going to point out right now, I want to click on it and I want to show you, and I apologize for scrolling quickly, but you can read this at your pace, at your leisure, but I want to show you that when you scroll down at the bottom of the syllabus, you will see all your deadlines listed for you, what we're doing each week, the topic that we'll be covering, and what activities or deadlines you have for that week. And that is there for the entire semester. So please be mindful of your deadlines and keep up with them. So when we go back to the course page, as I said, this class discussion area is where you'll be able to ask your classmates or myself any questions. Now, if you think that your classmates will benefit from the question you have, I recommend that you post it on the class discussion as opposed to simply emailing it to me. And also think about, if you were to come to class a little bit early and you were able to have conversations with your classmates to get to know them a little bit, this class discussion area. Use that space to have those informal conversations with your classmates. Oh my God, friends, I went to the beach this weekend and this is what happened. Use this space to talk about it. Or, I was reading through the text and I struggled with this information. Did anyone else have this struggle? Use this space to have that informal conversation with your classmates. If I have formal announcements related to this course, I will be posting them under announcements. So when you scroll down, further down, now the entire course is organized in a weekly block setting. So each week you'll be able to see what you have due. The first week, August 16th through August 22nd, is just an introduction week. So you'll learn about the course, about myself, about the structure of this course, the required textbook and course materials, and you have some census assignments. In order to remain enrolled in this course, you must complete these assignments by August 25th by 11:50 p.m. Students, if you don't complete this, it will be hard for you. I cannot let you remain enrolled in this course. So please complete them by August 25th. You verify your enrollment and academic integrity quiz. These are both your census assignments due by August 25th. You also have a syllabus quiz due this week in the first week. The purpose of this quiz is just to make sure you have read through the syllabus and you understand it. And if you have any questions about that syllabus, feel free to reach out to me. And in the first week, you will also introduce yourself to myself and your classmates. Be sure to come back to the discussion forum and respond to at least 2 of your classmates. My goal here is for you to be able to build a community, get to know your classmates. That way, if you ever have questions along the throughout the semester, you can come back and you have someone that you can turn to besides myself. I encourage you to build that community in this course. And then as you see, the entire semester is laid out for you. Every week you'll have 1 or 2 chapters which is explained to you at the beginning, along with the resources and your course activities that will get you through the week. You have your slides, your outlines, your lecture videos, your assessments, and your assignments. All of that for the entire semester is laid out for you. If at any point, students, you have any questions or concerns, please feel free to reach out to me. Sorry for scrolling too fast, but please feel free to reach out to me. My contact information is listed for you on your Moodle page. I wish you all the best in your journey this semester. Thank you.